If you get this error in Star Trek Fleet Command, the error says failed to log in, please try again. Now the reason you see this error is because it's not you, the issue is on their end. Their online services are currently experiencing a problem which usually happens when Star Trek Fleet Command servers are down. If you go to various forums like the Star Trek Fleet Command subreddit, you can see a lot of people complaining regarding the same issue. So it's not just you. And the reason you see this error is because today Amazon Web Services experienced an outage impacting multiple services, including this game. You can try to restart your device in the router, then try to relaunch the game again. If you're still facing again the same problem, try connecting to a different network, such as using a phone hotspot or a different Wi-Fi network. If it all fails, you'll need to wait until the servers are restored, since Amazon Web Services experienced an outage impacting multiple services. So you'll just need to wait for a few hours and the issue will likely resolve by itself. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this has helped you, and see you next time.